Ready to kick your racing game experience into high gear? Buckle up, folks, because we're about to dive into the thrilling world of the best racing wheels. I've taken these bad boys for a spin in virtual realms filled with speed demons and hairpin turns to bring you the ultimate guide on what will have you zooming across the finish line in style. Get your engines revving, and let's find out which racing wheel will have you crossing the digital, checkered flag in first place. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Logitech G920, our pick for best value racing wheel. Meet the seasoned pro of the racing wheel world, the one drivers out there look up to. It's like the elder statesman who can still outshine the young guns on the track. Yes, we're talking about the Logitech G920 driving force. This bad boy is a top pick for Xbox and PC racers looking for that sweet spot between entry-level and mid-level excitement. Don't be fooled by its affordable tag. The Logitech G920 driving force oozes class with its sleek design. It's got that fancy hand-stitched leather hugging the wheel and stainless steel gear paddles adding that touch of sophistication. With a dual motor force feedback system that's pure power, the G920 hits 2.1 Newton-meter of torque. Not too shabby for a gear-driven setup. And those Xbox buttons, right where you need them, within easy reach while you're gripping the wheel for dear life. Oh, and let's not forget the clutch and non-linear brake pedals. They add that extra thrill to your braking maneuvers. Driving with the Logitech G920 is like gliding through the smoothest hairpin turns. While it might not be the priciest option out there, the force feedback still packs a punch. Those paddle shifters, not magnetic, but they click with that satisfying sound. And don't get us started on the pedals. They respond like a dream, especially when you're really putting the brakes to the test. Number 4. Thrustmaster T128, our pick for best racing wheel for beginners. Looking for a shortcut to racing glory without breaking the bank? Meet the Thrustmaster T128, the gateway to sim racing adventure that won't dent your wallet. Let's talk design, shall we? Sleek and stylish, the T128 boasts a no-nonsense look with a hint of sassy red accents to spice things up. And did we mention its impressively compact footprint? It's like the sports car of racing wheels. Now onto features. Get ready for a joyride. The T128 packs a punch with essential features like force feedback, LED rev lights, fancy, huh? And magnetic gear paddles for that extra oomph behind the wheel. Performance time! Buckle up and brace yourself for a thrilling ride. The T128 may not be the top dog, but it holds its own with solid force feedback that'll keep you on your toes around those hairpin turns. It may not have all the bells and whistles, but hey, it's the perfect companion for beginners dipping their toes into the racing world. Sure, the pedals might not be the cushiest, but hey, when the T128 is zipping you through exhilarating races, who's got time to worry about pedal comfort? It's time to rev up your gaming setup with the Thrustmaster T128, because every racing enthusiast needs a trusty sidekick to conquer the tracks. Still searching for the perfect racing wheel? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Thrustmaster T300 RS, our pick for best racing wheel for strong feedback. Are you ready to take your virtual racing experience to the next level with a steering wheel that packs a punch like no other? Buckle up, because we have a slick recommendation for you, the Thrustmaster T300 RS. This bad boy is a force to be reckoned with in the world of gaming peripherals. Design-wise, this wheel doesn't hold back on the force feedback. It's so intense that a wrong turn might leave your thumbs feeling a bit sore. And let's not forget about the fan that's working overtime to keep things cool. Just be prepared for a whiff. When it comes to features, the T300 RS is a game changer. With seamless compatibility with popular titles like Project Cars 2, Gran Turismo, and F1, you'll feel every twist and turn like never before. The precision, weighty feel, and lightning-fast response will have you glued to your seat. especially during high-octane rally games. Sure, there's a slight hiccup with the handbrake mapping, but hey, every masterpiece has a quirk or two, and if you're willing to splurge a bit more on accessories, you can customize your setup for the ultimate racing experience. Rally stages may be a bit of a juggle, but the overall performance of this wheel is top-notch. So, unleash your inner speed demon with the Thrustmaster T300 RS and get ready to dominate the virtual track. Number 2. Thrustmaster T248, our pick for best hybrid design racing wheel. Check out this gadget's slick style. It's got all the bells and whistles, with controls straight out of a sci-fi flick, magnetic gear changers, and an LED display that's cooler than your favorite racing game graphics. This bad boy is as customizable as your favorite avatar. Picture this, a brake pedal that can be tuned to 4 different feels. Some might be a tad tough for a casual spin, but it's all good when you've got 25 buttons to reassign and a swanky LED screen to show off all the crucial stats while you're tearing up the virtual track. Oh, and let's not forget the 900 degrees of turn and super realistic feedback that'll put you right in the driver's seat. Strap in tight because the Thrustmaster T248 isn't messing around. Its beastly motor and adjustable settings dial up the realism to 11. Sure, some games might not fully unlock all the bells and whistles just yet, but there's enough packed in here to rev any racing fan's engine. This might not be the budget option, but trust us, you're in for a full throttle upgrade that'll have you feeling like a pro behind the wheel. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Logitech G Pro Racing Wheel, our pick for best racing wheel overall. Rev up your engines because we've got a wheel that's set to take your racing game to the next level. With the Logitech Pro Racing Wheel and Pro Racing Pedals combo, hold on tight, buckle up, and get ready for a wild ride. Forget what you knew about racing wheels. This one's got a direct drive motor that'll give you a shake that goes down to your racing booties. An impressive 11 Nm torque will have you feeling like you're behind the wheel of a race car ready to take on the track. Compared to the competition, Logitech's power-packed 11 nanometers torque leaves others in the dust. And let's not forget about the Pro Racing pedals, a 3-pedal set featuring a load cell brake that amps up the immersion to the next level. Now let's talk about cost. Yes, it's an investment, but trust us when we say it's worth every penny. You won't find another wheel that screams premium quality and top-notch performance like this one. So if you're serious about your racing games and want the best of the best, the Logitech Pro Racing Wheel and Pro Racing Pedals is your ticket to racing bliss. Step on the gas, feel the power, and let the thrill of the track take you over. Whew, we made it! That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best racing wheels. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which racing wheel you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.